Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a nice day so far. Today I'm going to be reviewing the prismatic afterglow wired controller. Hopefully you guys do enjoy it. I went out of my way to buy this especially. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and let's get straight into it. Right, so we've got the controller here guys. I don't know if it's backwards for you. Xbox and Windows. As you can see, it changes colour on the packaging, which is very cool. Prismatic. Yeah, let's go open this bad boy up. Right, so I just managed to get it out the box. Here's the manual. To cut it, that's why I cut away. There's the box. I'm probably going to keep the box. Just put it back there for now. And here's the controller. I'll put that a little bit more down. Just take it out of the packet.
5 hours later.
Oh, I managed to get the front bit of it out. It feels nice, like in your hand. That's a pressable button, by the way. That's a real nice. Let me just go compare it to. Go compare it to my other controller. Size-wise, pretty much the same. I think this one's a little bit smaller. That's really nice. You can hear the buttons a bit. I don't know if you can hear that. I forgot, my audio might have been terrible up till now because I haven't had my microphone plugged in. I'll see you in a minute. I'm just gonna go plug this in. Right, so guys, hopefully the audio sounds a bit better now. Let me just put that near the mic. Probably can't hear it.
5 hours later.
Anyway, really nice. Let's go hook it up to the Xbox and see what it's like. Let's connect this. Oh, it's like a black bit in there that it can go in. Is it the right way? No, it's not the right way. There we go, it's in. Blue, lighting up blue. Let me go turn my Xbox telly on, and yeah, I'll see you in a second. Right, so guys, make sure that you install the PDP control hub instead of the Afterglow app, because I did that and I got irritated because it wouldn't change the colours, even though I installed the wrong app. So it is PDP control hub. So I'm just going to click onto that now and let it launch. That is not the controller that I have. I have this one. Let's get started. Yes. Select. Your controller needs an update. Doing something. Would you like a quick tutorial? Maybe later. Thank you. So I can swap I can configure the audio. Oh, nice. Remap the buttons, diagnostics, audio diagnostics. All I want to do is the lighting, or maybe what the triggers. Oh, that's a lot of stuff on this. Jeez, man, I'm doing the lighting. Begin. I'm sorry if it's really loud. Hold on. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Lighting mode on. Wait, so can I turn it off if I want to? Just breathe. Oh, so it like does this. There you go. It's cool. Cycle. Oh, so it cycles through the different colours. That's cool as well. But I thought it had like colour all round. I think that's another controller. Cycle and stick. What does stick mean? Oh, so it does that when I move the sticks. Oh, okay, that's cool. if I do off, no, off, that'll just turn off the lights. Okay, I want it on. Oh, I'm so bad at that. Exposure and something are locked. I don't want it locked. Lighting mode, I want it on cycle. So I think that looks good. And I want the lighting intensity to the maximum. That's light. That's very light. That's very light. And yeah, you can control like a lot of things. Like you can remap the buttons, the trigger, sorry. You can remap everything. Yeah. But thank you guys for watching this unboxing video of the Afterglow PDP video, PDP controller. I'm sorry. If you do want to see more content like this, please do make sure to smash that thumbs up button, and a subscription would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.